It's a new 2025 Honda HR-V. Is it an SUV, hatchback, or compact? Yes, and it's in a category all its own. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, steering assist cruise control, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.